So I came across this on one of the Facebook groups that's tracking down the drones. And there's a professional photographer here named Nancy O'Connell. Well, I guess there's been a lot of orbs flying around too, in addition to the drones and stuff in New Jersey. So she took a picture of one with her professional equipment. And the interesting thing is that if you look at the amount of time the shutter was open, or the amount like the amount of time the picture was taken for, or the exposure, whatever, it's 1/30th of a second. So you usually use that for something that's like really high speed, or you want to capture something that's just going really fast. So to have this come out from one of those orbs in the time span of 1/30th of a second is really creepy. I guess that's what it looked like from far away. Another one. And then, yeah. I do not know what to say about this. The person didn't, from what I've heard, the photographers don't upload the raw files sometimes because they want to, like, they take pictures of what they took a picture of just to make, like, let everyone know that, like, yeah, I actually took this. I didn't alter it or anything. But yeah, this is one of the creepiest things I've seen. Again.